Isa ka din ba dun sa mga nurses na hindi na makatulog dahil sa sobrang takot at kaba? Natatakot ka ngayon kasi baka yung mga inaaral mo ngayon sa review center mo ay hindi lumabas sa actual board exam. Feeling mo lahat ng efforts mo since day one of the review until now, hindi pa rin tumutugma sa results na gusto mo. You feel like you're not enough for the board exam. Feeling mo yung mga classmates mo mas nauungusan ka na nila. Na feeling mo, sa lahat ng mga kaklase mo, ikaw na lang yung kulelat kasi parang ikaw pa lang yung hindi nakakaintindi ng mga bagay-bagay. Yung scores mo during the mock reviews, it's not giving. Ito yung mga kadalasang nangyayari sa lahat ng mga student nurses na kilala ko. Lahat tayo guys nag-overthink, nag-overanalyze, ngayon pa lang na malapit na yung board exam. And in this video, I am going to share you 3 actionable steps in order for us to stop or pwedeng lessen lang the overthinking. Actually, yung number 3 step, ito yung pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Una sa lahat guys, I just want to remind everybody that overanalyzing is our brain's way of protecting us. Uulitin ko ha, yung pagiging overthinker natin, yung pag-overanalyze natin ng mga bagay-bagay, it's just our brain's way of protecting us. Your brain actually wants you to be safe. Kaya gumagawa ito ng paraan guys to overthink, to overanalyze, pangunahan yung mga mangyayari before it actually happens. Bakit nangyayari ito guys? Oh my God, as a human being, yung utak natin guys is designed to find out the negativities in our lives to protect us from pain and suffering. You know? And that's not wrong, guys, no? Actually, pag nagigets mo na nag-overanalyze ka lang because your brain wants you to be protected and wants you to be safe, okay ka na eh, 'di ba? That alone is very enough para hindi mo na i-beat yung sarili mo. Beat yourself up every day. Bakit lagi ka na lang nag-overthink, nag-overanalyze? Alam mo yun. Pero syempre, minsan yung overanalysis na yan, it can lead us to paralysis, no? Hindi na tayo nagtitake action kasi sobrang anxious na tayo at wala na tayong pwedeng magawa kasi napapagod na tayo sa sobrang takot, di ba? So ito na nga, ito na yung 3 tips para sa'yo. Number 1, you should write down your thoughts. We overanalyze guys kasi scared tayo. At bakit tayo natatakot guys? Why are we scared? Kasi natatakot tayo mag-fail sa board exam. Yun eh. I mean, that is the root cause of all our fears and doubts sa sarili natin. Natatakot tayo na mag-fail. And that's not wrong. Kasi feeling mo, pag na-fail ka, disgrace ka na sa family mo, your family will be disappointed. No? Yung mama at papa mo, yung mga nagpaaral sa'yo, yung tita at tito mo na nagpaaral sa'yo sa nursing school, they will be disappointed to you kung mag-fail ka on your first try. Feeling mo mawawalan ka ng kaibigan kung mag-fail ka sa board exam, mawawalan ka ng jowa kasi conditional lang love ng jowa mo, dapat pag RN ka na dun ka niya mamahalin ng todo. Ganon. Kaya napakahalaga guys to write it down. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi nasisimplify yung thoughts natin. Ako guys, personally, I do a lot of writing para maklaro ko yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa utak ko. And when I write it down guys, napipinpoint ko kung ano talaga yung problema. Like, oh my gosh, bakit ako nag-overthink ngayon? Kasi baka mawalan ako ng pera at yung pera is tied to my safety and gusto ko lang naman maging safe this month. Ayokong humingi sa ibang tao kasi feeling ko pag hihingi ako, parang palamunin na ako. Ganito, ganyan. So, yan yung mga valid fears ko, guys. Now, these are all valid, guys. Okay? Tandaan mo, lahat ng mga overthinking mo, lahat ng mga naiisip mo, guys, are actual fears. These are valid thoughts. Kaya wag mong i-judge yung sarili mo. At maa-achieve mo lang to, guys, when you write it down. When you write down the things that are actually bothering you, mapipinpoint mo na, ay, ito pala yung rason ng pag-overthink ko. Kaya nag-overthink pala ako kasi takot ako. Takot ako mag-fail. Okay? And when you write it down, guys, ask yourself, totoo ba to? Are these true? Mawawalan ba talaga ako ng jowa if mag-fail ako sa board exam? Kasi ganun na lang talaga yung love niya sa akin, conditional. Is this even true? Tanungin mo yung jowa mo. Okay? So guys, your overthinking is tied to your fear at dapat alamin mo kung ano yung kinakatakutan mo. Okay? So write it down. That's tip number 1. Number 2 tip. If writing doesn't help, guys, if writing alone doesn't really alleviate the anxiety, talk to your friend. Share your thoughts with a friend. I'm very lucky, guys, kasi I have friends who listen to me and all my random rants in life. Actually, marami akong friends na they are actually good listeners and every time I share to them a part of my problem, nawawala guys yung anxiety ko at feeling ko nare-release ko yung tension na nasa heart ko at sa utak ko. It's a no-brainer guys na the more we share our problems to someone at nare-receive nila yung feedback, nare-realize natin na our problems aren't actually that big. Hindi siya ganun kalaki na talagang mamamatay tayo kung hindi natin siya magawa or something. Kasi nga, we're able to share it. We're able to verbalize what is going on in our head and in our hearts. So actually, yan lang talaga yung catharsis. 'Di ba? When we share our thoughts, yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa utak natin, nasa-simplify din siya guys, kagaya ng writing. At maganda din kasi nava-validate tayo, marirealize natin na, oh my gosh, yung friend ko pala is actually experiencing the same thing. Alam niyo yon, naging connected pa kayo sa isa't isa, di ba? So, hindi kayo natatakot na mag-share sa kanila. If writing doesn't help, share your thoughts with your loved ones, with your friends, with your jowa, anyone. Talk to them, guys. Release your tension in your head and in your heart kasi once na ma-release mo na yan, magiging okay ka. Finally, the most important tip, guys, it is acceptance. We overanalyze because we want to succeed. Uulitin ko ha. Gusto lang natin maging successful kaya nag-o-overthink tayo. We wanted to pass the board exam. We wanted to top the board exam. Ayaw natin na ma-fail. Our overthinking brain wants us to be safe. Kaya dapat mo na lang na i-accept to. Okay? Kasi yan yung goal ng overthinking. Gusto lang ng brain natin na maging protected tayo at makuha natin yung gusto natin. That's all. Kaya that's really good, guys. And there's nothing wrong about it, 'di ba? Wala namang masama doon. So just accept everything. Pag nag-overthink ka ngayon, do this, okay? Talk to yourself. Nag-overthink ako ngayon kasi natatakot ako mag-fail. I don't want to disappoint my family. And that's okay naman, 'di ba? So ano yung gagawin ko ngayon? I'm still going to do the things that I wanted to do. Exactly. Yan lang guys, yung key guys. The key is to accept your overthinking, overanalyzing brain, accept mo na yan. Pero gagawin mo pa rin yung mga bagay na dapat mong gagawin. Mag-aaral ka pa rin, makikinig ka pa rin ng mga videos, magre-review ka pa rin, mag-answer ka pa rin ng questions, magpapahinga ka. These are the things that will actually help you pass the board exam. So yung gagawin mo guys, you have to accept. Kuya, i-accept ko na lang pala tong overthinking brain ko kasi my brain just wants me to be safe and wants me to be successful. Exactly. Yan yung purpose ng overthinking mo is for you to succeed and get what you want. Wala siyang masamang agenda sa'yo guys. Okay? So just accept what you feel, pero do the things that will actually help you pass the board exam, which is studying, learning, test-taking, and resting. Guys, you have to remember what you resist, persist. Yung mga bagay na pilit mo tatanggalin sa utak mo will continue to be there, such as overthinking and overanalyzing. So stop getting rid of them. Just accept them. I-accept kita self, i-accept kita overthinking, part ka lang ng journey ko, part ka ng process. All you want me to be is safe. All you want me to be is successful. So, tatanggapin kita. Pero gagawin ko pa rin yung mga gusto kong gawin to achieve what I want. Diba? And that's it, nurses. I just want you to know that I am rooting for you. Maraming salamat for being here and you will pass the nursing licensure exam. See you in my next videos.